Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix no sound during calls on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro. So as you guys can see, we have the phone right here. So first, when you're on a call, make sure to check the volume using the side buttons right here. So make sure when you're in a call that you press it all the way up. As you guys can see here, we don't have the call volume because we need to be in a call in order to get one. So make sure to hop on a test call and then test it out here. Now if this doesn't work, then try disabling the Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices and go over settings. Now here, go to Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth is disabled to make sure that it's not connected to your headphones, earphones, or maybe even the car. So make sure to disable the Bluetooth. Now what else can you guys do is clean the earpiece with a soft brush, because if it's stuck then it may be the issue of you having no sound during calls. Now after that, hop on another test call, but maybe try a different app. Do not use the phone, you can try and use the normal phone app and also something like WhatsApp or etc. There's a lot of apps to call. Now if nothing helps, then what you guys can do is restart your smartphone. So basically hold the power button, now click restart and tap to restart the phone. So I'll see you guys once the phone is restarted. So basically after the restart, what you guys can do is go over and reset the phone if nothing helped you. So first head over to the settings. Now scroll down until you guys see system, it's right at the bottom, and go to reset phone. Now click erase all data, but before that make sure you hit the backup to Google Drive button, so you back up all of your important files and you do not lose any photos, contacts, and downloaded apps. So make sure to hit the backup first. Now go to reset phone, erase all data, and here click erase all data once, enter the password, and after that click it second time. So that'd be it for this video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.